Oh, you either have to remember which one, or you have to put it on top. Because I already know it's on top. Yeah. And then twists. And then it just stays on there loose like that, huh? Nah, fuck that. That's how it's supposed to. You have this on here? Yeah, go ahead. That's a lot of threads. Jesus. There we go. Nice and clean. Can it's clean. Open it up, look at it. It's clean as hell. Oh, it's just marred to shit. You got all this marring back here. I can't do that. Get the fuck out of here, man. I do have to see how this thing goes on. You want to put it on? Oh, yeah. I thought you'd want to take the honors, but nah, how do you know which one's on top? This one right here, this mark. So you're just going to line that up. Like that. Oh, you either have to remember which one, or you have to put it on top. Because I already know it's on top. Yeah. And then twists. And then it just stays on there loose like that, huh? Nah, fuck that. That's how it's supposed to.
Okay, so we'll look at how the can's going to go on with the collar not quite adjusted properly. It can only turn down to where these two stops touch, and if it's still loose, what's going on, we've kind of set this one up so that it's out one full turn. So we'll turn it down, and I'm going to pull this down, and it's pretty hard to do, and you've really got to put a little effort into it, but I'll show you how you know it's on all the way. There's no way that there's enough room that detent plate will come down to the can again, so you know it's on all the way. Then you push those two together against the stop, so all 6 of the lugs are lined up, and we'll put it on again. So you'll see that the stop wouldn't turn far enough away. It should go 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn, somewhere right in there. Hopefully that helps.
Hey, so in the process of making the previous video you guys just saw, the weirdest thing actually happened. The outer shell of my hybrid came off. In the process of me trying to get the chemo off, I accidentally twisted or bent the 2, I think they call it spanner wrenches. Spanner wrenches is what these things are called. So they're kind of actually bent. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. And this happened more so because I was trying to get the chemo off and it was raining, as you guys saw in the video. And I wanted to put the pistol mount on, so I could give a sound, show you guys how that sound. But actually I can show you guys how that sound in my other video. But yeah, so I reached out to SilencerCo, and it was really awkward to tell them to remove this dead air attachment onto their silencer. But we'll see what they say, and I'll keep you guys posted, and I will make a much better video than this video of the hybrid on a rifle. So keep a lookout for that. That'll be like the VP9 and the hybrid attached to that type of video. Really good quality. So yeah, keep watching, and please like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys are looking forward to. This March and forward, I'm looking to produce a ton of new content. So please let me know what you guys are looking forward to, and subscribe. You guys have a good one. Take care.